សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ channel Dara យិនម្ដងទៀតជា channel មួយដែលរៀនភាសាខ្មែរសួស្តីទាំងអស់គ្នាស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ channel Dara យិនដែលជា channel រៀនភាសាខ្មែរ So hello everybody, welcome to Dara យិន channel is a Khmer language channel that help you learn this language, okay? So just for your information, I will try my best to do my best to keep or to post a videos a day. Okay, so just note down that from Monday to Friday I will do a normal lesson, my lesson, okay, for you who follow my channel. So from Monday to Friday I will try to post one video a day, so just keep track with it. So as now we are in Khmer lesson on part 3, so I'm trying to make more videos on the lessons. So as I mentioned, so from Monday to Friday is a normal Khmer lesson, tips, and as now we go, as I mentioned earlier this week, that there are certain topics that you should learn Khmer. Okay, so now we are not finished the first topic yet about greetings. Okay. But after this, we will finish the first topic. I hope to finish all the 13 topics. So after these certain topics, you will learn a lot of Khmer, if you follow my channel, okay? So again, if you have any questions, please leave your comment, okay, on my video, so that I know what you want, what you need, what kind of things that you want to know, okay? And for Saturday and Sunday, I'm trying to help some students who is advanced learners. For example, like they need listening skill. So I'm trying to do videos relating to news in Cambodia from the local newspapers. I will read it in Khmer and then try to read some English if they have both languages, Khmer and English. So that for advanced learner, they can practice listening skill, as well as they can practice learning how to understand the context. This is the hardest things for advanced learners, because a lot of time, when I meet people, when I talk to people who always speak really good Khmer, their reading skill is also good. But the thing is, after the reading, they don't know what it means. What is the context mean? What is the meaning, what they have read? The problem is, in this culture, in this language, you have to combine together. You have to, you have to combine the ideas. What is the context, what I'm talking about? Okay? So again, Monday to Friday, I will help you learn the normal lesson, the 13 topics that I mentioned that will help you with the beginners. Okay, Saturday and Sunday for advanced learners, I will talk about, there's a talk show, maybe a talk show, I would say a talk show about what happening during the weeks, what's news in Khmer, and maybe some English also translation. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. Stick around and leave your comments if you have anything. Okay, so thank you. Have a great day. Li hai.